and welcome back to my channel where I make delicious recipes to inspire you every week. For today we'll be making this delicious tender pork stew. It is so simple yet tastes so lovely that you will definitely recreate this over and over again once you've seen this recipe. And as always, you can find the ingredients to this recipe in the description below. But for now, let's get cooking! I sure do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. It was so much fun to make because it didn't take that long at all, and I hope that you also get around to making it. If you do, let me know how you get on in the comments below. But as always, I am very appreciative of your support and your encouragement for this channel, and I'd love it if you would like, share, subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe. Until next time, bye bye.